Good morning, candidates. This is about State Bank of India. Yes, this is about State Bank of India. Uh, say it has. It's an enterprising bank, enterprising bank, enduring enterprise, State Bank of India. So now, for the sake of SBI CBO interview, we are going to learn certain things about State Bank of India. With a legacy of over 200 years, State Bank of India is an Indian multinational public sector banking and financial services statutory body. That is, it has been formed as per the Act in the Parliament. For SBI, the interest of common man have always remained at the core of its business. The bank has a strong portfolio of distinctive products and services and leverages technology to deliver and manage them in a personalized, customer-centric way. Headquartered in Mumbai, SBI provides a wide range of products and services to individuals, commercial enterprises, large corporates, public bodies, and institutional customers through its various branches and outlets, joint ventures, subsidiaries, and associate companies. It has always been in the forefront to embrace changes without losing sight of its values such as service, transparency, ethics, politeness, and sustainability. The vision of State Bank of India is be the bank of choice for a transforming India. Vision, be the bank of choice for a transforming India. Mission is committed to providing simple, responsive, and innovative financial solutions. Values, service, transparency, ethics, politeness, सस्टेनेबिलिटी. अभी इस बात को हिंदी में बोलता हूँ. स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया 200 साल से काम करता है. इनका पास स्ट्रॉन्ग पोर्टफोलियो, डिस्टिंक्टिव प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज है. स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का हेडक्वार्टर्स मुंबई में है. वाइड रेंज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स सर्विस करते हैं, इंडिविजुअल्स को देते हैं, कमर्शियल एंटरप्राइज को देते हैं, लार्ज कॉरपोरेट्स को देते हैं, पब्लिक बॉडीज को देते हैं, इंस्टीट्यूशनल कस्टमर्स को देते हैं. इनका विजन है बी द बैंक ऑफ चॉइस फॉर अ ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग इंडिया. इनका मिशन ये हो गया, कमिटेड टू प्रोवाइडिंग सिंपल, रिस्पॉन्सिव, इनोवेटिव फाइनेंशियल सॉल्यूशंस. इनका वैल्यूज इधर दिया हुआ है: सर्विस, ट्रांसपेरेंसी, एथिक्स, politeness, sustainability. These are the values given for State Bank of India. Now let us go about the services. The personal banking, SBI offers integrated personal banking services through wide range of loan products, salary packages, digital loan offerings, NRI business, and wealth management services amongst others. SBI has got 36 lakh SBI home loan customers. 36 lakhs SBI home loan customer. SME banking. SBI is a market leader in SME financing. We provide simple and innovative financial solutions to SME clientele while also ensuring high quality customer services. 2,67,614 crore total SME advances. International Banking Group. State Bank of India is a pioneer of international banking among the Indian public sector banks. The International Banking Group arm is a consistent contributor in transforming the industry landscape through its specialized verticals on various fronts. State Bank of India has got 233 offices presence across all time zones, various countries. A rural banking. SBI caters to the need of India's rural citizens through its offerings in financial inclusion, microcredit, agriculture business, 1.42 crore farmers catered by State Bank of India. Government banking. SBI is market leader in government business. It significantly contributes towards e-governance initiatives taken by the Government of India and is instrumental in the development of e-solutions for both central and state governments. Total government business turnover 52,62,643 crore rupees. 52,62,643 crore rupees. Corporate banking. At State Bank of India, the corporate account group is a one-stop shop which provides a wide range of financial products and services exclusively to major top corporates of the country and Navaratna public sector undertakings. Total corporate advances rupees 8,44,215 crore. 8,44,215 crore. Investments of SBI. Our subsidiary SBI Card released its IPO, initial public offering, in 2020. The company is the second largest credit card issuer in India with deep industry expertise and demonstrated track record of growth and profitability. Return on equity recorded by SBI Card 27.40. या ना अभी इस बात को हम हिंदी में बता रहा हूं. आवर सर्विसेस पर्सनल बैंकिंग में बोलता है इन स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का बाद में 36 लाख SBI होम लोन कस्टमर्स आए. SME बैंकिंग, SME के लिए टोटल SME एडवांसेस कितना रुपया? 2,67,614 करोड़. और इंटरनेशनल बैंकिंग ग्रुप सब कंट्री में इनका कनेक्शन है. 233 ऑफिसर्स थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड. और रूरल बैंकिंग में स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया तो अच्छा काम किया है. फार्मर्स 1.42 करोड़ फार्मर्स को स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया हेल्प किया है. फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन करता है, माइक्रो क्रेडिट एग्रीकल्चर बिजनेस करता है. गवर्नमेंट बिजनेस में भी SBI स्टेट गवर्नमेंट और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को बहुत ही इनिशिएटिव सब किया है. टोटल गवर्नमेंट बिजनेस स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का 52,62,643 करोड़ रुपया टोटल गवर्नमेंट बिजनेस टर्नओवर. एंड स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का कॉर्पोरेट एडवांस, टोटल कॉर्पोरेट एडवांस कितना है? रुपीज 8,44,215 करोड़. इन्वेस्टमेंट SBI कार्ड अभी IPO रिलीज किया है 2020 में. SBI कार्ड सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट क्रेडिट कार्ड कंपनी है और वो ये रिकॉर्डेड बाय SBI कार्ड 27.40%. Candidates, I have just covered 2 pages of this book. Just covered 2 pages of this book, but everything that I have told you is very, very important. अभी जो बात ये 2 पे कागज का अंदर में बोला है आपको, ये सब इम्पोर्टेंट है. ये सब को मन में रख लीजिए. कहीं ना कहीं समय पर आपको इंटरव्यू में इस पॉइंट्स आप यूज कर सकते हैं. आई एम गोइंग टू क्लासिफाई दिस एज knowing SBI number one video. Accordingly, I will put different videos so that you can follow them. Thank you so much, candidates. This is I'm really proud to be of service to you people. All of you are already working in banks or have worked in banks, and you are very much aware about SBI. But here is an opportunity which I take to provide you with some information in a compact manner, and I wish you'll be making use of this. So thank you, candidates. I'll be putting similar videos, knowing SBI 1 2 3 4 like that. Thank you.